Google now lets you change your Gmail account name or email address. So I'm going to show you how to do this very quickly and very easily. You can do this on both computer or mobile device. It does not matter. Open up a new browser tab and go to google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage here, you want to tap on your profile image in the upper right-hand corner. This will take you to your account overview. Once you're here, I want you to click on Manage Your Account or Manage Your Google account at the very top. Once you're under Manage Account, I want you to tap into Personal Info. It will have a green icon and say name, email, phone, and address. Once you're here, you'll see all of your personal details. I want you to tap into Email. Once under Email, you'll see your Google account email at the top, and then you'll see some recovery email addresses and other ones that you've added as well. What you want to do here is tap into where it says Google account email, tap on your current email address. It will then prompt you to sign in, so go ahead and do so now. Once you've logged in, you'll be prompted with this page here. Go ahead and tap into the option that says Change Google Account Email. It will then tell you everything you need to take note of. Changing your email will not affect any data such as photos, messages, but there will be third-party services like smart home or streaming services that you'll have to go and make some tweaks and enter in your new email address. Scroll down to the bottom here and then type in the new username or email address you want to use. As with anything, if that username is already taken, it will tell you you cannot change it to that name, so find one that's available. And once you've done that and found one that's available, tap the blue button that says Change Email, and you are good to go. And the old email address that you're changing from will be an alternative email address that people can still send stuff to and will come to this new one that you've just changed it to. If you have any questions, I'll put a pinned comment down below with some frequently asked questions. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.